Hi, so this time we're going to talk about current electricity! Yay! All electricity happens because negative charges move. In static electricity, negative charges build up on one material and jump to another material all at once. This happens for brief periods of time, but in current electricity, the negative charges have continuous movement through a material. But can you imagine how if there was no electricity before? What will happen today? First of all, there will be no TVs, phones, ACs, refrigerators, all the electronic appliances? No more. And the world seems closed thanks to the great communication ways. But without electricity, all the texts, calls, chat, Instagram, Facebook, all the social media won't be able to be used. Communication will be super hard. Also, without electricity, nights won't be the same again. Darkness will fill up the sky and we might have to lit a candle or use the oil lamp every night. All modern cars will be useless. Steam engines might make a comeback. Or people might start to ride the horses again. Now, computer will stop operating. The world will go back further using books to keep thousands, millions of records. But on the other hand, there will be less pollution and less trash too. The earth will be cleaner, greener, and even healthier. I think that's a good thing. Whenever current electricity is moving through a wire, that wire is called a live wire. Touching a live wire might shock you. If the shock is strong enough, it might even cause death. So, a live wire is usually covered with an insulator to prevent injury. The covering is called insulation. Most electrical cords have plastic or rubber insulation covering the wires. Electricity cannot flow without a power source and a path. A battery is an example of power source. The power source keeps the negative charges flowing. The path must be unbroken for the negative charges to flow through. This path is called a circuit. A circuit might have a switch. A switch is a device that used to open or close a circuit. When the switch is open, it breaks the path. This stops the flow of electricity. When the switch is closed, the circuit is complete and electricity can flow. Woohoo! Hey, hey, higher! Yeah! Oh! No, no, no! Oops, this bad. We should have gone outside to play, not inside. Then what should we do? Oh no. Oh look, only one bulb of the chandelier has gone out. But for the decoration light, all the bulbs have stopped working. What happened? Why? Well, in a circuit, there must be a switch, a cell, or a power source and light bulbs. Series circuit. This is a type of circuit that connects several objects in one complete path. If you see the battery, the switch, and the light bulbs are all connected in one wire. When you put more than two bulbs together, the other bulbs will grow dimmer. When you remove or you replace the bulb with the broken one, all the lights will go out. This happens because there is only one path for the electricity to travel through. In this type of circuit, when one path is broken, the circuit becomes incomplete. And when the circuit is incomplete, the electricity stops and none of the bulbs will light. Many circuits have more than one path through which electricity can travel. A circuit that has more than one path is parallel circuit. Each object on the circuit has its own path. That is why, if one object is not working, the electricity still has another path to go to the other path, and therefore the light bulb is still going to turn on. This bridge is an easier example. If you see this bridge are both connected in series. Now see what happens if one bridge is broken. Can you go to the other side? No, it's not possible because your only path is now broken and there is no other way that you can go cross through. But let's see if the bridges are connected in parallels. You see the two lines? When one bridge is broken, you still have one complete path and therefore you can just use that to cross. Isn't it wonderful? Now, can you explain the chandelier and the decoration light problems earlier? Yes, you're right. The chandelier used parallel circuit, while the decoration light used series circuit. That's why when the series circuit is broken, the whole decoration thing will not be lit. But then in the parallel case, only one will not turn on and the others are still working. So let's have a quick review. A type of circuit that connects several objects in one complete path? That is a series circuit. And the type of circuit that has more than one complete path? It is parallel circuit. A conductor is a material that allows electricity to flow through it easily. Metals such as copper and silver are all good conductors. However, metals are not the only conductors. Your body, water can also conduct electricity. That is why you need to be careful when you use electricity. Electrical shocks can injure or even kill you. Sometimes though, electricity cannot flow through a material. An insulator is a material that does not allow electricity to flow through it easily. Wood, glass, rubber, fiberglass, and plastic are good insulators. Remember the cable? That is usually covered with an insulator to prevent injury. So that is all for today. Again, be careful with electricity and I'm going to see you next time.